everybody, Micheline from Micheline Makes again with another vlog. You remember last time, my last lookbook one, I said that I had a few more clothes. Well, this is part 2 of the summer lookbook. Lookbook. We call it lookbook. Look here. Look, but it's look. The summer lookbook. And this is part 2, and part 2 is basically about one main pattern that I used, which I made a lot of tops from. It's a top pattern, and basically it's a Lucala, but it's a design yourself Lucala pattern. And you don't go to Lucala, you go to sewist.com and you create your own pattern. So what I thought I would do was show you how I got to create the pattern, and then I'll show you all the different tops that I made for the summer, and I have worn them and worn them and worn them. I love them. I find them very comfortable and I would highly recommend it. A pretty straightforward pattern, not great amount of instructions, but the Lucala is getting better. And so I thought you might like to watch and see how I did it. So we first of all need to go to www.sewist.com. So you can see this is the front page, and it's an online sewing pattern designer sewist card. And I'm going to scroll down to the tops and click on that. Now I can choose what kind of top I want, and I'm going to opt for the oversize fit. I can choose any length, so I'm going to go below hip length. Now I'm going to choose the type of sleeve I want, and I want to go for the raglan sleeve. And there are quite a lot of necklines we can choose in the next option. I'm going to go for a V-neck. I think I shall choose this one. Do I want a collar? No, so I click on the no collar. Do I want a front closure? No, so I click on the no front closure. Now it asks me the type of raglan I want, and I want the rounded raglan. I quite like that style. The next option is a type of top you want the shape to be. I'm opting between the straight and the tent, but I think I'll go for straight top. Now I've got a choice of where I want the darts to be. I'm always a sucker for the French style dart, so I'm going to opt for that. And what length sleeve do I want? Well, I would normally get a long sleeve, but I have a short arm, so I think I'll go for the 5/8 length raglan sleeve. And that's it. So now you're creating your top, and it will look like this. It's showing a back seam, so you could add a zip, but in my case you can slip it over your head easily, so I'm going to use that as a fold. I'm going to put the pattern on the fold. Now you choose pattern size. You can choose a standard size or a saved size if you've already ordered from Lucala, or you enter your measurements. And here at the bottom is a description of what the pattern is that you designed. And at the bottom of the page is some information on how you will get your pattern in 10 to 15 minutes. It'll be emailed to you. This is a handy thing. You can click on a colour and it'll change the colour of the drawing to let you see what that garment's going to look like with different colours. They also have a selection of fabric, so you can see what that's going to look like in different kinds of fabrics as well. It's a very straightforward pattern. You sew the dart, then you sew the front and back to the sleeves. Then you actually get a little facing that goes on the inside of the V, and then it's a case of turning up the sleeves and turning up the hem, and there you are, you're ready to go. You can also design dresses, pants, jumpsuits, lingerie and skirts. And it's always worth checking out some of these positive comments that are at the bottom.